Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and today I'll be doing a video on my new LEGO AR15. So, this has many cool features, including a working charging handle and bolt, a working bolt catch. You press that down, and the catch goes forward, or the bolt goes forward, a removable magazine with a bolt on top, and iron sights, and a adjustable stock. And now on to the montage. I hope you guys like that montage. That might be the last time, but we'll see. I really did actually like that. And yes, if you were wondering, whoa, well, yes, I do have the shotgun. I don't know why that explosion was, but ow. Anyways, yes, I do have a shotgun with a working magazine release right there. It's an AK styled, a working charging handle. It's a straight pull bolt action shotgun. It's based off of the real military one, or the one that they use now. And a working trigger. There's not too many features on this, but it certainly makes it look cooler and front heavy. Alright, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please click like, and if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. It's free, and if you don't want to, you can always unsubscribe. Alright, thank you. Bye.